Ever had that quiet feeling of becoming invisible? It's as if society decides that natural women over 60 should just fade into the background. Well, we are done with fading. What if I told you the secret to feeling confident and truly seen again is hanging in your closet right now, completely overlooked? This isn't just about a dress. It's about reclaiming your presence. Stay with me, and let's find the one simple piece that can change everything. All right, so how do we find that one perfect t-shirt dress? After working with so many women in their 60s and 70s, I've learned that comfort isn't just physical, it's emotional. A dress that feels like a hug can change the way you walk into a room. It all starts with the foundation. And darling, the fabric is everything. I've learned over the years to look for something with a lovely fabric weight, around 180 to 220 GSM. That just means it has a beautiful, substantial feel. Thick enough that it won't be see-through and it will drape gracefully instead of clinging. But here's what's even more important: breathability and recovery. Fabrics like modal and tencel let your skin breathe, and they have excellent recovery, meaning they won't stretch out and look baggy by the end of the day. Here's a little trick for when you're in the store. Gently stretch a piece of the fabric. If it snaps right back to its shape without rippling, that's a sign of beautiful quality. Have you ever tried a dress that felt too clingy or lost its shape after one wear? What was the fabric like? It reminds me of my dear friend Carol. For years, she insisted t-shirt dresses weren't for her. So I brought her one in a deep plum color, made from a beautiful weighted modal. The moment she put it on, something shifted. Her shoulders relaxed, she stood up a little straighter, and she even did a little spin in front of the mirror. She said, "My goodness, it just feels like a gentle hug, not a squeeze." In that moment, she wasn't just wearing a dress, she was wearing confidence. Once the fabric feels right against your skin, the next step is making sure the dress works with your beautiful shape. A tiny detail that makes a world of difference is the shoulder seam. It must sit right on the edge of your shoulder. If you're shopping online, check the product photos. If the shoulder line looks like it's slipping toward the upper arm, skip it. A straight-cut dress is wonderful for comfort, while an A-line creates such a lovely, balanced shape. Now let's talk about the magic of color. Don't be afraid to move beyond black. The secret is understanding your skin's undertone. If your skin has a warm golden undertone, colors like rich camel and soft olive will make you look radiant. If you have a cooler, rosy undertone, deep teals and soft berry shades can make your complexion absolutely glow. It takes your style from just fashion tips to true personal styling. What color makes you feel the most alive lately? Tell me in the comments. And once you've found the perfect color canvas, it's time to paint your own story on it with accessories. They aren't just decorations. They remind us that our lives are layered, and so is our style. But it's also about scale. If you have a petite frame, choose elegant, medium-sized accessories, as oversized pieces can sometimes overwhelm your silhouette. Do you have a keepsake accessory you haven't worn in years? Perhaps it's time to bring it back out. I'm thinking of a woman named Helen. She told me once, "I just don't think I deserve to look nice anymore." That feeling is something we must gently push back against. One day, we rediscovered a silk scarf from her trip to Paris and a simple leather belt. As she put them on with her dress, it was the small things I noticed. Her posture changed. Her smile softened. She lifted her chin just a little higher. She was remembering the woman who bought that scarf, the woman who was still right there inside of her. Remember, you are still the most important person in your wardrobe. And once your personality shines through your accessories, you're ready for the most freeing part of all, breaking the rules. Oh, honestly, it's time to let go of all those things they used to tell us. We have earned the right to be comfortable and modern. Let's start with the t-shirt dress and a clean, white sneaker. This isn't just stylish, it's smart. A good pair of sneakers with proper arch support is a gift for women who might have plantar fasciitis or knee sensitivity. It's a declaration that you are a woman on the move. Next, the t-shirt dress with a denim or leather jacket. This adds that perfect touch of ageless spirit. But a little word of advice. Avoid overly stiff boxy denim jackets as they can add bulk. Choose a soft, broken-in wash that moves with you. And finally, our secret weapon, the long-line cardigan. There's a reason we love this look. The long cardigan creates beautiful vertical lines which guide the eye downward, creating an illusion of height and graceful balance. It's an effortlessly chic way to add a layer of sophistication. What fashion rule from your past are you ready to toss out for good? These combinations aren't just about clothes. They are about choosing joy, choosing comfort, and choosing you. Your style didn't end at 60. It evolved. And that brings us to the most important lesson of all. So, as we've seen today, this simple t-shirt dress, it's really just a canvas. The true masterpiece is the woman wearing it. It's the confidence in your posture, the story in your eyes, and the grace with which you move through the world. Style isn't about the clothes, it's about the spirit you bring to them. Before you go, I want to leave you with this one thought to hold on to. Please remember, you don't need to be younger. You just need to be more you. The beauty you possess today is filled with a depth and a radiance that time alone can create. It is yours, and it is magnificent. And now, the conversation turns to you. I would truly love to read your stories in the comments below. What is that one item in your wardrobe? Be it a soft scarf, a piece of jewelry, or a favorite coat that makes you feel the most alive. If this conversation today resonated with you, the kindest compliment you can give is to offer this video a like. And if you wish to be a part of our growing community, consider subscribing. This isn't just a channel. It's becoming our space to redefine style and life after 60, together. I look forward to reading your stories and seeing you again very soon.